Hey guys, welcome to a different, welcome to another video, and sorry if you can't hear me well. Yeah, but oh, sorry, yeah, welcome to a different video, and today I'm not really doing anything. I just want to clarify that this is what my voice sounds like. I hope you kind of like it or something, but don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Yeah. uh, whoever, all of you that watch Wolfie Chew, I kind of sound like her, but not really. Anyways, um, oh yeah, if you don't know her, definitely check her out. She's amazing. And yeah, hit that subscribe button, like, I already said that, share it to all your friends. Well, I wouldn't really suggest that, but, but I will because I get more views, and I don't know what I'm saying right now, so, bye. This is what my voice sounds like, it's very high pitched, but I don't mind, but, bye.